welcome back to my channel. So for today we're doing, yes you guessed it, something different. Today we are going to be DIYing some chair covers. Not only am I going to show you how to DIY this yourself, but I'm also going to show you how to DIY it for under $5. So if you want to see this happen, then keep on watching. If you like me, you like my channel, you like the crazy things that I do not forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notify button. And if you don't want to hit the little bell notify button, then that's fine, because I'm on every Tuesday and Friday. Alright, let's get this party started. Alright, so I'm going to go over materials first. First of all, this will be our subject. It's disgusting, I don't want to get too close. You've got your basic stapler, a pen or pencil, a good pair of scissors, a good pair of scissors. You'll also need either a screwdriver or a drill motor, whichever one you prefer. The drill motor is obviously faster, so that's what I will be using today. And then secondly, you're going to need material. You're going to need something to put on top of these seat cushions. Now you could fluff them up with a little bit of extra fluff, but for me, I like these ones to look nice and flat, just because these are these chairs are where the kids sit, so I prefer to keep them flat. Now if you want to add a little bit of fluff before you put on the cover, you totally can. It's pretty simple. You attach almost the whole cover, and then you shove in some stuffing, and then you finish covering it. Super simple. Now to actually cover the seats, I am using, look at this pattern, stunning. But these are actually curtains that I got from Salvation Army for $2, you guys. $2 for both curtains, okay? And then we have here your very basic plastic shower curtain, okay? And I got this at Walmart for $1.47, I believe. And those are the materials that we're going to be using. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to take off the seat cushions so that we can have nice, easy access to measuring and stapling the material on. So let's go ahead and get these off. Alright guys, next we're going to measure this out with our pen. Now you can go ahead and do the actual outline. And then you know you've got to go quite a bit more than that. What I like to do, I like to take my scissors, use it as a marker. Here, here, just at the handle. Like that. And if you want, you can connect them so you can see how far you actually want to cut out. Okay? So this is your seat cushion here. And this is extra material that you're going to need. And I'm going to cut probably a little bit even extra. Ready to attach. we're gonna attach this the same way that we attached the cover, and then we put this back on a chair and we're done. Here's our finished product. It is covered in perfect plastic, perfect see-through, and perfectly wipeable. Woo! Let's do 3 more. Chairs are ready for some messy kids. Alright y'all, that is all I got for you tonight. These seats are done and ready to be sat on by some kitties and wiped down by some mama. So thanks for joining me for my $5 DIY project. If you decide to try this out, let me know down below in the comments. I'd love to see your work and see your pattern and see your ideas. Thanks again for watching. Love you guys, and I will see you on Friday.